ngarang result out tawkhiba graduate teacher singi merit list serial number 252 da wano masak yaudana khanbirakhiba wangmayam ongbi makakmayum mistress Zulekha aina lamdam asigi honorable CM Pabung Birel amadi education minister Tamo Basanta amadi department asigi director amadi mari lainaba staff singbu nangphai leitana thagasari matung tabadasu Pabung na lusinglaga BJP party asibu mayamgi seva tawba ngamhanbisana.
Honorable Chief Minister Pabung N. Biren Singh amadi Education Minister Tamo Basanta Singabu hainingai leitana harauba amsung nungaiba phondokjari. Ngarang haidokhiba Hindi primary teacher gi selection da aibu senja thumja habedi corruption amata yaudana khanbi birpa asigidamak yamna harauba amsung nungaiba phondokjari. Ai tasengna wano matin amata tawjakhide sen pinabasu aingonda upai kaigumba amata leijade. Aibu in order of merit aigi haijaba amasung aigi parikhada tawjamiba mark ki matungina quality leiba ojasing khanbada aibu saruk jahalakpa amadi asgumna corruption senja thumja amata tawdana oja khanbagi process niyam niti asina tungda horokadruba satra satra singbu quality leiba satra puthukda chok mating ama oigin haina paliba BJP government amadi Pabung Chief Minister N. Biren Singh amadi Education Minister Tamo Basantabu angkhai leitana thagasari. Makhatana punsi sangna hapibaga loinana praja mayamgi seba thamoi sengna tawbungambagi pangan thana hapibu oisanu hana ai boya mem Nawaz Khan Lilong tingkham makhada leiba boya mayum manawar alegi masanapa aihakna thakpa phondokjari.
Today, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Biren Singh Ji, and the Education Minister of Manipur, T.H. Basanta Kumarji, and also the BJP-led government of Manipur. I'm very happy to see the result of graduate teacher declared by the Education Department of Manipur. It is because of the free and fair examination conducted by the department that I am being selected to be part of this humble profession called teaching. Thank you very much.
I, H.C. Rinta from Analkuna village, Chandel district, is the daughter of a farmer. I was selected for arts graduate teacher under Education Department, Government of Manipur. Result declared on 3rd February 2023. I truly thank the BJP-led government under Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, for the conduct of this recruitment on a merit basis, without which there is no chance for me from a poor family. I once again thank and appreciate Sri N. Biren Singh, CM of Manipur, for the corruption-free government. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.